Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you what the quiet mode on Instagram means. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram app on your mobile. To enable the quiet mode feature on Instagram, first go ahead and visit your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead to the top right corner on the three-barred menu and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you'll be able to see the notifications option. Tap on it. Now under notifications, you'll see the quiet mode feature. If you tap on it, you'll be led to the quiet mode page. Now to enable this feature, simply toggle the switch and then it will turn blue, which means that the quiet mode has been enabled. So what the quiet mode does is that it updates your status to in quiet mode so that other people won't be able to disturb you and you will not be easily distracted when you need to focus. So you can customize this time by entering the start time and the end time. You can also turn it on for up to 12 hours. This will allow you to focus and it will let other people know not to disturb you when you're on your focus mode. It is only a feature that will help you or prevent you getting distracted. However, if you decide to talk to someone or chat with someone, it will not disable that feature. You still have the freedom to text anyone you'd like, and anyone has the freedom to text you as they like. It will just be an alert for the people that you're in a quiet mode and you do not want to be disturbed. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.